Hello friends. Welcome to another embroidery tutorial. In this video, we'll learn lazy daisy embroidery stitch. The lazy daisy is a type of embroidery stitch used primarily for creating flower designs, especially the petals. It's a form of the chain stitch and is also known as the detached chain stitch. Here's a basic guide to creating a lazy daisy stitch. Begin the stitch by bringing the needle up through the fabric at the point where you want the center of your petal or leaf to be. Reinsert the needle back down very close to where you brought it up, but do not pull it all the way through. This will create a loop on the front side of the fabric. Bring the needle up again where you want the tip of the petal to be, making sure the needle comes out from within the loop you just formed. Pull the thread gently so the loop lays flat against the fabric. Then, take the needle back down just outside of the loop to anchor the stitch in place. You can create more petals or leaves by repeating the process. Typically, several lazy daisy stitches are combined to create a flower design, as you can see in this video. If you enjoyed this video and want to see more creative projects like this, make sure to subscribe to our channel and hit the notification bell to never miss an update. Thank you for watching. Stay tuned for our next video. Until then, happy crafting.